Maria here with another FosPower tech tip video. Today we are talking about our FosPower audio cable line, which ones we carry, the differences between them, and the different applications of the cables. Before we get started, here's a quick disclaimer. A 3.5mm auxiliary cable and a mini toslink are very different cables. They are not cross-compatible. A 3.5mm auxiliary cable is analog audio and the mini toslink is digital audio. We get a lot of customers buying the mini toslink cable thinking it is a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. Again, they are completely different types of cables. Now let's talk about the digital audio cables. First up, we have the HDMI audio-video cable. This cable passes up to 4K video and digital audio to your TV or receiver. Next up, we have our digital coax audio cable. You will find this connection on the back of some Blu-ray players and cable boxes. Most receivers have at least one digital coax input as well as some sound bars. Next up, we have our optical, or as some people know it as, toslink audio cable. Most current TVs use optical for their audio output. Many cable boxes, Blu-ray players, and streaming devices use this for audio output as well. Audio receivers will have at least a couple of optical inputs on the back of it. Many soundbars use this connection as well. Lastly, we have optical toslink to male mini toslink audio cables. Mini toslink connections can be found in the back of a few TVs and some projectors. This connection is not as widely used. Mini toslink connections can be found in Chromecast audio, some models of MacBook Pro and iMac, Airport Express, high-end headphones, amplifiers, and mix amps. Now moving along to our analog audio cables. First up, we have the 3.5mm auxiliary cable. It is most commonly used in vehicles for running audio from your phone, Bluetooth receiver, or iPod to your car's stereo. This cable is also used by folks who preferred wired headphones rather than wireless. We also offered 3.5 female to 3.5 male and 3.5 female to 1/4-inch male adapters that can be used in conjunction with these cables. For our final analog audio cable, we have the left and right RCA cable. This cable is used for running left and right audio to and from your TV. You can also find these connections on the back of audio receivers, cable boxes, DVDs, CD players, and some older Blu-ray players. Hopefully, our cable guide helped clear the air about what cables you may need for your AV system or systems. Thanks for watching!
FosPower, 15 feet, 2 RCMM stereo audio cable, 24K gold-plated copper core, 2 RCA male to 2 RCA male, left-right, premium sound quality plug. Male to male. Connectors, 2 RCA male to 2 RCA male 15 feet audio cable. Premium built cables. 24K gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and reduce tarnish. Built for flexibility and quality. The PVC jacket, copper braided shielding and aluminum foil shielding provide cable flexibility and greatly reduce undesired EMI/RFI interference. Stable signals. Polyethylene foam, PF, dielectric insulator, greatly minimizes signal loss. Copper-plated core. Tin-plated copper core reduces oxidation and increases wire life. Connectivity. FosPower Premium 2 RCA male to 2 RCA male stereo audio cable allows you to connect your audio equipment or any equipment with L/ or jack to your office or home stereo audio system. Tin-plated copper core. The tin-plated copper core of the FosPower stereo audio cables reduces oxidation and increases the wire life. PF Insulator. The core of the FosPower stereo audio cables are covered with polyethylene foam, PF, dielectric insulator, which greatly minimizes signal loss. Dual-layer braided and foil shielding. FosPower stereo audio cables' dual-layer shields are braided with copper and protected by aluminum foil, which provides cable flexibility and greatly reduces unwanted EMI/RFI interference. 24K gold-plated connectors. FosPower premium stereo audio cables are made from high-quality 24K gold-plated connectors that resist corrosion and reduce tarnish. Specifications. Cable. Specification 26 AWG. Jacket, PVC. Conductor, bare copper core. Dielectric, polyethylene foam, PF. Shielding layer 1, bare copper shielding. Shielding layer 2, aluminum mylar shielding. Specifications. Connectors. Type, RCA. Interface, analog audio.